Just taking a quick look inside of an RTS brand GPIO-16, and I think this is just like a GPIO, general purpose IO, like switcher. It's going to be interesting to see what's inside though. Some gunk in that screw head. Not getting good connection. I'll have to fix that before I put it back together. Huh. Oh, that's interesting. So, power supply is basically a wall wart. Well, not a wall wart because it has a cord, but just a little power adapter that you'd use in the wall that they connected to the board. Although it passes through ground, so that's kind of neat. Something tells me it's semi-custom. And just a piece of galvanized steel to hold it in place. And got a whole bunch of relays here. 16 channels. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 16 relays there. Oops. It's upside down. Some mystery chips. And then some resistors and diodes. I'm not sure what purpose those serve. I wonder if these are opto isolators. And we have some Texas Instruments chips. LC578A. A lot of probe points on this board. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why they needed to probe so many different things. If it's for testing purposes or if it's for programming. And something interesting on that sticker, but I am trying to sell this, so I'm not going to disturb that. Bunch of dip switches in the back here. And this appears to be a network port. Although without checking the manual, I don't know. I don't see the necessary hardware for networking unless it's all integrated in the chip. Power regulation there. But yeah, nothing too interesting in there. But thought I'd at least share so people can see what's inside. But hopefully it was interesting, and thanks for watching.